We are back for day 2 of the Bangkok International Exotic Plant Show and Sale. And we are here to judge yet again. And by we, I mean Irene, Sean and I. And today we are deciding who is the best Monstera and best Alocasia in the show. Okay, my friends, Irene, Sean, Alocasias first. Nice. Pink bone variegata. Okay.
I mean that's where the name comes from, like the pink bone. Like if you go.
Yeah, like here.
Yeah. See, it's more like a Alocasia.
I actually prefer it when it doesn't show variegation because just the veining is stunning. Yeah.
It's like the purple cabbage.
But look at the purple veining fading.
Then it's not grown very well, is it? Like you lost a lot of the younger leaves.
Yeah, and it seems to fade with age.
I mean, it could be a trait that people like, you know.
I mean, it does produce interest. I don't think it has enough leaves for my liking.
Yep.
Yeah. Next.
This one is actually quite stunning. The thing is, like, I used to really not like this plant. In person, it actually looks really stunning.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? But I do think the more variegation, the more deformed the leaves. I would love the leaves to be more flat, like this one. I think this is more stunning when it's more flat, not so curled up.
But look at how well it's grown.
Yeah.
It's rosette. Yeah.
It preserves all of the. It's very round, very even, and the old leaves haven't died off yet. So you know.
It's a
I think it's a good candidate. We'll make it. It makes it to the final. What have we got here? Alocasia. Yep.
Sidonii aurea.
That's all right.
It's okay.
I
mean, some people are gonna love this kind of very, I don't know,
yellow variegation. I don't know. I'm a bit underwhelmed. Sorry, no offense.
Okay. I don't think it's going to make it.
Yes.
I mean, we're gonna just eliminate it one by one, right?
I like this better than the one before because the variegation is more pristine, more white. It doesn't deform the leaf. See how like the variegated half of the leaf is almost the exact same?
I like the latest leaf. It's giving
I'm a little bit indifferent about it at this stage.
Indifferent means maybe not.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Fair enough.
This is pretty good in terms of rarity.
Okay, so this is the venom. Like, do we need the venom in the first place? The venom,
beautiful.
It looks like melted plastic.
It's okay. It's beautiful.
Like honestly,
it's really distorted and it's giving like real mutated.
Yeah.
Well, this is a mutation of a mutation, like a Frankenstein mutated.
To me, this is the worst one we've seen so far. Sorry.
I don't want to have it in my
mind
house.
it.
Okay, well, then we agree.
Now this one.
What about this one?
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
That is really beautiful. It doesn't really come through the.
Can we lift up the thing?
Can I just peek? Ooh, peek. Okay, wait.
Beautiful color.
Very beautiful.
I like it very much.
This is possible.
And I love the increase in leaf size. You know, so it's definitely well grown. I love this leaf.
Wow.
And even though it has a lot of variegation, it does not change the leaf shape. It doesn't look mutated like this.
It's like a sturdy plant.
I think this is like definitely a favorite so far. Do you agree?
I agree. The contrast is amazing.
And what was the name again?
Maharani.
Perfect. Okay, I think this is a
Now, this is actually quite beautiful despite it being small. Look at the growth of this.
Is it?
It's giving spider mites vibes too.
It's giving spider mite damage. Yeah. And
What is it?
I don't know. I can't really tell the leaf shape of this. Like every leaf has like a different shape to it, no?
This one's grown well. It's got a nice
Beautiful
form. I'm not sure
sheen.
about the variegation though. I mean, it's got in terms of salmon pink. It's got like green, mustard, and something. It's got interesting.
It is interesting.
Alocasia
May not be beautiful to
sidonii.
some people, but it's interesting. And it's rigid. It's upright.
The thing is, we've seen a lot of variegated Alocasias in this lineup so far, and I don't think this variegation stands out to me personally.
Okay. What about
does it to you? I don't know.
I like the health of this plant and the way they.
I like the health.
Been variegated. I don't know.
Is it a Jacqueline? No, it's a different one.
Oh, so it's
Yeah, because it doesn't have the texture of the Jacqueline. I like this pattern.
But what happened to its older leaves? Like, did they cut them
Maybe
off?
it was a big plant from the beginning. Maybe it came from a big rhizome.
Okay.
No, well, not really
I don't
with the
think
variegation.
so.
No. But it has a completely different shape to all of the ones we've seen so far. It has interest.
I'm eliminating this one only because it's got makeup on.
That is not fair.
Because
Fair.
it's too shiny.
Fair. I've already eliminated like 3 of them, so your turn. When makeup, you just mean it was sprayed or like shined.
shine
Yeah.
on it.
Okay, fair enough.
Too fake.
Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
It doesn't look natural. What do we got here?
Velvety, Alocasia.
Oh, that's beautiful. And it's
Silver
like,
dragon elbow.
This is yes.
Mm.
Hell yes.
Every leaf has like a weird curl. Every leaf has a different shape.
Do you like
Like
that or not?
no, not at all.
Yeah,
I like
prefer them
consistency.
to be like just boring.
I do love the
solid.
variegation. I think the variegation is really great colors because it has this gray. Like that's really rare. Like you
Yeah.
don't see grays
And I like
much.
the red accent. Like this basically looks like a person drew it and they were nervous. So like the lines were like.
Yeah.
squiggly.
I recently learned this color is called glaucous.
Oh.
Like when it's grayish. Grayish.
2 against
That's the
1.
color.
2 versus
Yeah.
1. Okay.
Because this is also quite
This one has
beautiful.
similar colors.
Hydrophylla metallica
I think
blue.
nicer
But
shape,
look
more
at how
interest.
it's- I
That is
mean-
nice.
Imagine it in someone's hand. Like it's gonna look good. And
Yeah,
hydrophylla
I would
is-
prefer this one unvariegated.
Yeah, metallic blue.
Has every single one been variegated so far? Yeah, huh? Let's have a look at the end because they added a few new ones over there. Hang on, we've seen all of those. I think just these 2 are new, no?
This is the Chantilly. Oh, this is.
Yeah, these 2 are
beautiful.
new.
Yeah, the Chantilly.
Okay.
pink.
Oh, that's the same one as this one, just not variegated, right? So that's a. Yeah, these 2 are new. They just added them. So this is the same one that we judged first with the pink points, but not with variegation. I prefer the non-variegated, to be honest, with the beautiful pink veins, and it looks really healthy. Look at that. But does it have makeup
size.
on? Does it have like someone is shining that? No.
Maybe, but maybe it's just glossy. I don't know if it.
We'll make an exception for this
No,
one. I think this
okay.
one is pretty.
But I don't think it's gonna make it because look at this one here, Chantilly.
Yes, okay.
This is great. This is the biggest
That is
one I've
nice.
seen so far.
And we like the size.
Yeah.
It's very difficult for the justice man.
Very consistent.
These are top 2. We have a top 2.
Okay, this is kind of nice. I mean, I think just for size and consistently have variegation on them at the same time. And there's not a single bit of crispy. Even the teeny tiny end is not crispy yet, you know? So, you agree? You're happy with that? I mean, yeah?
Fine. Fine.
Yeah?
go with
Give us a thumbs up. Good. Okay. We're ready.
The third place is from
It's like,
farm Chantilly.
congratulations, really beautiful.
Congratulations for Number 2, second place is Cookia.
Whoa! Well done.
Alocasia มหาลัยโอ้ยโอ้ความแชมป์ของปีซ้อน
Okay, guys, Monstera is going to be a challenge. Let's tackle it.
Yeah. Let's start from here.
Should we just start right here? Okay, Sean, you need to lead the way because you have by far the most knowledge when it comes to these things. I'm happy to just judge it by beauty.
Yeah. I mean, this is grown well. This is the green sapphire.
Yeah, green sapphire.
Very, very subtle variegation.
But consistent.
Consistent, but I don't know. It's all right. This is good.
It
Healthy.
fights a little too much.
But in Thailand, I've seen like much more insane monsters
Okay.
than this. This one for being weird, but I think that's it.
I'll fight you for my life for this to not win. Like, sorry. like,
it's
like my
giving-
reputation is on the line. I can't choose this one now. No, it's interesting.
It's giving undead vibes.
Yeah.
It's given like you came back from your 3-week holiday in your house and I didn't water. Sorry.
Monstera skeleton. You know what happens is that when it's more mature, you see how financial runs deep?
Yeah.
That's what happens when it gets bigger. It's like a skeleton. It's like a rib cage.
All right. So come back next year.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right.
I like it, but I think the first one was nicer to me, personally.
Like healthier.
Either this is the masterpiece or ocean mint. Okay, this is beautifully grown. But you don't like how crinkly it is.
It's got makeup
I
on
don't
it
like.
too.
It looks like you know, after the scale infestations.
What?
You know how scale infestations make it a little sticky and shiny.
Yeah.
But I like how big it is.
It is, yeah, it is big and it is quite okay, but there's some crisping here too. So we're gonna take points off.
The competition is so good. We have to go into detail.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
we have to really assess like little.
Like white lava, but it's
Which one is that?
silver lava. That's interesting. Okay, this is super rare.
Contorted.
I've not seen this before, but I like the white lava better.
Silver lava.
Silver lava.
It's a little,
I think every leaf is a little different, and every leaf is a little differently deformed.
this is good. Like if you like weird monsteras that's deformed.
Yeah, look. I mean, there's got to be something for everybody.
Monstera Sport. This got no name yet. This is called Monstera Sport. Did it? I don't know how we feel about it. Not every sport should be a thing, I feel like. And this is one that I think...
Look, if this would happen naturally in my collection, I would really like it.
But
I
you
wouldn't
like this,
seek
like-
out this.
Would you like this like
The
crinkly?
texture,
Actually, no.
I'm not sure if I like
I would probably actually go on Reddit and ask what's wrong with my Monstera. You know, it's like, why is it so crinkly?
I mean, it's alright, but I feel like we don't... It's not someone that... It's one that we didn't ask for.
I wouldn't buy it. Even,
Yeah.
Yellow lava. Okay, they're all lava these days.
Yeah, but this is not a good example of the yellow lava. Maybe not.
I thought the lava has the thing in the middle.
Yeah,
like
it should
a,
have to,
okay.
yeah, it's supposed to be that.
And the shape is not my favorite.
distorted.
Masterpiece. Honestly, I've seen large. People
Which
have
one is
large
this?
Masterpiece.
Masterpiece.
I have no idea
this is
about all
very
of these
common right
things.
now. This is very common now.
Okay.
And many gardens grow large ones of these. So for me, this is like we saw one huge one at the
Yeah.
IAS. Much
Yeah,
bigger.
but to be honest, when we were walking around earlier filming our short,
yeah.
I saw much nicer ones. Oh wow, it doesn't stop.
Oh, this caught my eye immediately. This
Yes.
one above
Okay,
the-
let's start here then. Is that the Viet? Yeah, the Viet
It's the one
Ciosa.
that you
I've seen that.
beautiful.
I've seen that in Miami for the first time, and it looks like a Dalmatian to me. I don't know why. I think of Dalmatians with this one,
Some people might
and
like
it has beautiful shape. I like
Sean
this.
is like
sturdy plant. It grows well. I reckon
So far, this
it's
is my favorite one that we've seen.
Yeah.
What about you?
Okay, this
Yeah.
is good.
You
Okay.
sure that we've got the name?
Viet Ciosa.
You see how this leaf is like going to enlarge and like should come up? The growth stage.
What I don't like here is that it has the growth pattern of an Alocasia.
Oh.
I want them to fan out left, right, left,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
left, right. You know?
Yeah. This is grown light down, I think. That's why it's like doing
Yeah.
that. Not a moss pole.
Yeah. Sorry, I might be biased. Okay.
Now, for me, this is
This
more.
is just a sport.
Like,
The
I-
color is stunning.
The color is
It's
stunning, but the variegation
asymmetrical.
deforms it.
Yeah.
If the with this one, it keeps its perfect shape.
Why?
This is the
What is
Monstera,
this?
Pearl marks flying variegated. This is in the millions now.
Huh?
This is
Sorry.
in the millions now.
Wow, people have too much disposable income.
This is a lot of money.
This one is. It looks like it's in the
And look at
clouds.
the original leaf, the first leaf is still fucking there. Look at
It
that.
looks like a very long
This
pothos
is
at this
insane.
stage.
I just wish this plant would be like 2 years older.
But it just came to the market. Like only like 10 people have this plant in the world. And,
Okay, then.
and look at the first thing, first baby leaf.
Oh,
look
the
at that.
baby.
Okay, that's very cute.
That's,
Wow.
that is
I do
insane.
like the growth
And
pattern,
look
the
at that.
fan, the
And
perfect
symmetry,
fan.
The symmetry. Look at that.
Okay,
This
yes.
is grown in very
yes.
good condition. Good
But
light.
it doesn't even have a single fenestration yet. You know what I mean?
Not yet. Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe a bit
back
premature
next
for the
year.
But
yeah.
for,
come
for
back next
rarity
year.
and wow
Rarity,
factor,
yes,
this
but
is-
I would have loved just give it one more year to grow. It is good. It is nice
Yeah,
though.
and
It is
we-
nice
we
though.
know how we feel
But
about
if we're
this.
thinking about this, for example, somebody grew this for 5 years before they submitted it. You know what I
This
mean?
one, yeah.
So
But this is
So
also,
what is it?
We're looking also at how much they invested and how much they risk buying the plant. There's a factor in that too. I know.
yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I mean, look, I really like that. That was the stand when we toured the fair yesterday. That was my standout. And this is the first one that is not variegated
Yeah.
out of everything we looked
Yeah.
at. So it really
Yeah.
stands out. You know
And
what I mean?
it's healthy.
It has something different to offer. It's mature,
Yeah.
really nice consistency.
beautiful.
And it's so fragile. Look at how thin this finish. It looks like it's gonna break anytime soon, which makes it so exquisite.
This is stunning. And just like the size, it's hard to judge. We need to see. Irene, stand next to it. You're so tiny. Look. Look how big this is compared to Irene's head. I think this ticks like the boxes from a grower's perspective, from a mutation rarity perspective, from a beauty perspective, you know.
The
I think
timelessness of this.
Wait, did
This
you
was
say it's
standard-
mutated?
No mutation. It's like out of seedlings they found like one that's
yeah.
like
No, it's had extra special fenestrations. It's like more than normal, you know.
Oh, the fenestration is like.
Yes, the
extra,
fenestration is the extra
extra.
bit here, not the variegation.
It does not
Yes.
look like this.
Yeah.
But I really want to talk about this one over here because it is something I have never seen before. We need to really look at it from above a little bit.
Interesting. It looks like the philodendron tortum. And it
Yes.
looks like something that looks like a fern. If you're looking for a monstera that looks like a fern, this would be one that's.
Also the first one that's grown on a pole, which I'm gonna be biased towards, sorry, but I think that's nice.
It unfurls so beautifully.
Yes.
This is possible.
And have a look, like you can really see, would have obviously been a cut. These are the
Yeah,
original leaves, and
Yeah.
then it started reshooting, and
Yeah.
so it has every single leaf still,
Yeah,
even the one that was
progression is good.
even the one that was propagated with, and by now it's fairly
And in
mature.
terms of rarity, this also takes it.
Yes, so I really like this, and it doesn't need variegation to stand
Yeah.
out, but I think they went a little heavy on the leaf shine, maybe.
Oh yeah. Do we want to take points off?
Yeah,
Too much makeup too. For me, it's out. And also look at the old leaves.
it's too shiny.
Yeah.
But
No.
it's a nice size.
It's a decent size.
Yeah.
Now they're bigger. This is not a new plant, so people had time to grow it out.
Which one is it?
Electrolyte.
Electrolytes.
Yeah,
Just for the
people-
name gets a deduction. Sorry.
This is another mutation, a weird one. I guess if they're
Say I like it.
Speechless, not in a
Yeah.
good way. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm so judgy.
out of the three of you, I'm the one that's most open-minded to mutations.
Yes, that's your thing, and I think you have the most understanding of it,
Yeah,
right?
but
I think
I
for
feel
me
like-
it's probably a understanding thing.
Yeah.
Ocean mint mutation.
Yeah, and this is a dwarf form. I filmed this yesterday. It's interesting, but
I'm missing half the leaf there.
But
it's interesting, but shit.
not
So how do
something
you
I
think-
want to have at home. Okay.
What is this one?
This
Is
is
that
white lava, I think.
just lava? Lava, it says. Yeah, white lava.
I do
Okay.
like the white lava.
If
I want
every
one,
single
but-
leaf
oh,
would be
there's a
like this
cluster
with
here.
a band-aid, but if every leaf would have this consistent variegation, I wouldn't be so mad at it.
Yeah.
But it's not. And then over here it looks a little bit deformed.
Yeah.
I think I saw nicer monsteras in the show.
Floor, yeah.
They weren't submitted.
Yeah.
Can we go outside? No, we can't.
I bring them back.
So what do you guys think? You guys can let me know in the comments what you think, and we're going to discuss in secret.
Yeah.
And then you'll find out. See you soon.
So the second place Monstera is Bernie Maxim from Hasson Half Garden.
Take a few notes.
This one.
Alrighty, you've seen number 1, 2, and 3. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Let me know which one would have won in your opinion, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.